Hello, today we are going to discuss about uniform distribution. Uniform distribution is a continuous distribution. It having a continuous random variable x. X follows uniform distribution in the interval a, b. Then its PDF is probability density function or probability distribution function. F of x equal to 1 by b minus a for a less than x less than b, 0 otherwise. Here for a uniform distribution, PDF is f of x is 1 by b minus a for a less than x less than b, 0 otherwise. First we have to find the mean and variance of a uniform distribution. Mean is expectation of x. We have to find this expectation of x as, since it is a continuous distribution, integral minus infinity to infinity x f of x dx. Integral, here lower limit is a and upper limit is b. Therefore, integral a to b x into f of x is 1 by b minus a dx. Since this 1 by b minus a is a constant, it can be taken outside. 1 by b minus a into integral of x dx is x square by 2. Then the limit a to b. Applying these limits, 1 by b minus a into b square minus a square by 2. Since this b square minus a square is b minus a into b plus a. Therefore, 1 by b minus a into b minus a into b plus a by 2. This b minus a can be cancelled. Then we get a plus b by 2. Therefore, mean of the uniform distribution is expectation of x and it is equal to a plus b by 2. Then we have to find the variance. For finding variance, For finding variance, we have to find expectation of x square. Expectation of x square is, since it is a continuous distribution, integral minus infinity to infinity x square f of x dx. Integral, here the limits are a to b. Therefore, integral a to b x square, this f of x is our PDF 1 by b minus a dx. Since this 1 by b minus a is a constant, it can be taken outside. 1 by b minus a into integral of x square dx is x cube by 3. Limit a to b. Applying the limits, upper limit b cube, lower limit a cube by 3. This b cube minus a cube can be written as b minus a into b square plus ba plus a square by this b minus a into 3. This b minus a will be cancelled. Then we get expectation of x square as a square plus ab plus b square by 3. Now we have to find the variance. Variance of x is expectation of x square minus e of x the whole square. Our expectation of x square is a square plus ab plus b square by 3 minus expectation of x the whole square, which is a plus b by 2 the whole square, which is equal to a square plus ab plus b square by 3 minus a plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square, then 2 square 4. Then these two can be subtracted. We get denominator as 3 into 4, 12. Then 4a square, 4ab plus 4b square minus 3a square minus 6ab minus 3b square. Then 4a square minus 3a square is a square. 4ab minus 6ab is minus 2ab. 4b square minus 3b square is plus b square by 12. That is a minus b the whole square by 12. Here we get for a uniform distribution with a random variable x. Here PDF is f of x is 1 by b minus a less than x less than b. Here mean is a plus b by 2. Variance is a minus b the whole square by 12. Then we are going to solve a simple problem. Our problem is a random variable x follows uniform distribution in interval minus 3, 3. Find probability of mod x minus 2 less than 2. Here given that x is a random variable follows a uniform distribution in the interval minus 3, 3. Therefore, its PDF is f of x is, our formula is 1 by b minus a. That is 1 by upper limit minus lower limit. 1 by 3 minus minus 3. That is 1 by 6. For minus 3 less than x less than 3, 0 otherwise. Here we get the PDF only. For finding probability of mod x minus 2 less than 2. Here mod x minus 2 less than 2, the meaning of this is x minus 2 lies between minus 2 and plus 2. That is probability of minus 2 less than x minus 2 less than 2. Then for cancelling this minus 2, we are adding plus 2 throughout this. Therefore, probability of minus 2 plus 2 is 0, less than x minus 2 plus 2 is x, less than 2 plus 2 is 4. We have to find probability of 0 less than x less than 4. That is, since it is a continuous distribution, integral 0 to 4 f of x dx. We have to find integral 0 to 4 f of x dx. For minus 3 to 3, the PDF is 1 by 6. If x greater than 3, PDF is 0. Therefore, integral 0 to 3, here the PDF is 1 by 6 dx plus integral 3 to 4, here the PDF is 0 into dx. Since it is 0 into dx, it will be 0. It can be cancelled. Then this term only. This 1 by 6 is a constant. 1 by 6 into integral of dx is x. Limit 0 to 3. Applying the limit, we get 3 by 6, which is equal to 1 by 2. Here we get the answer as 1 by 2. Then another simple problem. A random variable x follows uniform distribution in minus k comma k. Find k if probability of x greater than or equal to 1 by 3 is 1 by 3. Here another problem. A random variable x follows uniform distribution in minus k comma k. Find k if probability of x greater than or equal to 1 by 3. Here since x follows uniform distribution in interval minus k comma k, first we have to find the PDF. PDF is probability density function or probability distribution function. That is f of x equal to 1 by b minus a is our formula. That is k minus minus k. Therefore 1 by 2k. For minus k less than x less than k 0 otherwise. Here we get the PDF. Then given condition is probability of x greater than or equal to 1 is 1 by 3. This is probability of x greater than or equal to 1 is integral 1 to upper limit k 1 to k f of x dx equal to 1 by 3. Here our f of x is 1 by 2k. Integral 1 to k 1 by 2k dx equal to 1 by 3. By integrating, this 1 by 2k is a constant. It can be taken outside. 1 by 2k. Then integral of dx is x. Limit 1 to k equal to 1 by 3. Then applying the limits, upper limit k minus lower limit 1 equal to 1 by 3. Then 3k minus 3 equal to 2k. Therefore k equal to 3. Where we get the answer k equal to 3. Okay, thank you.